Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 KTM 690 Enduro R Buyer's Guide. So make sure to watch the full video. Despite its name, the 2023 KTM 690 Enduro R does not part of KTM's Enduro lineup. Instead, this rangy trellis-framed motorcycle is slotted as a travel bike, placing it in the same category as KTM's adventure models. Powered by a 693cc single, the 690 Enduro R weighs 350 pounds with its 3.6-gallon underseat fuel tank filled, so it legitimately sits between KTM's dirt-focused enduro bikes and the more streetable adventure lineup. Certainly, the 2023 KTM 690 Enduro R is dirt-capable. The Xplor suspension offers nearly 10 inches of high-quality wheel travel at both ends, plus a pure dirt 21 divided by 18-inch wheel set with DID Dirtstar rims. However, adventure-style tires and high gearing will keep you away from technical trails. However, when a high-quality dirt road makes itself available, 100 miles per hour is not out of the question. Thanks to a 6-speed transmission, KTM gives the 690 Enduro R plenty of electronics you wouldn't expect on a big single ready for the dirt. There's a quickshifter and 2 power modes, street and off-road, plus traction control and Bosch anti-lock braking system, both cornering aware and defeatable. There's also an optional off-road anti-lock braking system that turns off the rear wheel anti-lock braking system, but leaves a bit of anti-lock braking system in reserve for the front wheel. We found this all out last time we tested the KTM 690 Enduro R. The 2023 KTM 690 Enduro R has a price tag a buck short of $13,000 and comes in one color. We're sure you can guess what that is. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.